Now for today's jujubes recipe, I've taken 2 tablespoons of gelatin. You can also use agar powder, half a cup of water, and mix this really well till all of the gelatin dissolves in the water. Now in a pan, I've taken 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water, mixed it really well on a low to medium heat, and let it come to a gentle boil. Now we're going to boil this mixture for 10 minutes. We're going to do a water test where we're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of the liquid into water, and if you're able to form this soft ball, that means your mixture is ready. Now we're going to add this agar mixture or gelatin mixture to this sugar syrup and cook it really well for 5 minutes on a medium heat till the entire syrup thickens up really well. Once that is done, we're going to transfer this into 3 separate bowls to which we're going to add colors. Now generally it's always orange, red or green, but you can always go with whatever colors you want. Mix the colors in really well. Now I've gone with orange, green and red as you can see in the video. Mix the colors in well. Now this has to be warm. Now I'm just using a mold that I already have. Just pour it into the mold. You can use a silicone mold or whatever, and just refrigerate this for 3 hours. Then just demold it and just roll it in regular sugar like this. And your jujubes are all ready. Isn't this really a simple recipe? And it's going to really make your Christmas plate look amazingly bright and colorful and festive. So do give this easy recipe a try, guys.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.